What, mine?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, we have to sing.
You need a lighter.
Happy
No.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vinny.
And Lola.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You never could do that right.
I know.
Don't you let him blow it out and make a wish?
Vinny, do you want fire on your cake?
Yes, he does. He's a
No.
dude.
He said yes.
He's a dude, man. Bro, man.
Mmm.
Well, if we've got fire.
He's eating
He's
the
got the
cake.
Lytro device.
Look at his hand on the back of the cake.
Yeah.
Like, that's your piece, Vinny.
Does he know that's hot?
Okay, yeah, he knows.
Does he know
Okay,
how to
Blow
blow?
it
blow.
up.
Blow.
Blow, Vinny.
1, 2, 3, blow.
Blow it.
Then you go,
Make a wish. Closer.
do it again.
Blow it. Like this. Now blow. Blow.
Good job.
Don't tell anybody what you wished for. I'm trying to figure it out. Okay.
Oh, good, more frosting.
How do you cut into that bus cake?
There's cake.
Oh, look.
Oh, snap.
That's what he thinks about
That's
that
your
too.
piece.
I'll take it.
Okay, who's gonna cut it before somebody?
Oh.
Okay, you want a piece of cake now, Vinny? Quick, while there's still some left.
Where's it?
Grandma cut the cake for you, okay?
Is it a lactose intolerant?
Grandma get a piece for you and a